Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making linguine with shrimp and arugula parsley pesto. So first things first, we've got our pot of boiling salted water here and we're going to drop our pasta in, fan it out, and we'll let that start to work. We're melting a little bit of butter over low heat to saute our shrimp in, but in the meantime we're going to work on our pesto. So I'm going to squirt some oil in the bottom of my food processor. Add a pinch of salt, fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to add in our garlic. We also have some walnuts. We have Parmesan cheese. We have our parsley and our arugula. A little bit more oil over the top just to keep everything loose. Close that up. And we're going to pulse this together. All right, and that is ready to go. All right, we're ready to add our shrimp. I'm going to watch for popping just because there is moisture in your shrimp. All right, we're ready to drain our pasta. All right, since our shrimp is just about done, what I want to do, I'm going to turn the heat down. I'm going to add a couple spoonfuls of our pesto to the pan. Give our shrimp a toss. Now to our pasta, we're going to go in some more of our pesto. I'm going to do a couple tablespoons full. We're just going to kind of toss all this together. Shrimp is ready. Add it straight in. I'm going to lightly toss all this together, and then all there is to it is to plate it up and serve. So we will plate it up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.